Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about how to make a simple clap switch using the sound sensor. This is my setup here, but before I look at the setup, let me first have a closer look at the sound sensor itself. So this is the sound sensor. The major components here: one, we have this microphone, we call it the electric microphone, which is for collecting the sound waves and then changing those sound waves to electrical signals. And then there is this LM393 comparator, which changes those electric signals to digital signals that can be analyzed by the microcontroller. Then we have this potentiometer. This potentiometer is for adjusting the sensitivity of the sensor. Then we have two LEDs here. There is a power LED and then a status LED. This one goes on whenever you power up the sensor, and this one lights when there is a sound signal that is being processed by this sensor. So connecting to a microcontroller is very simple because it has only 3 pins. VCC is for the power, then it has the ground pin and the out pin, which is the signal pin. In this case, you are going to connect the signal pin to any of the digital pins of our Arduino board. So that is our sound sensor in summary. So let's look at the setup of our clap switch. So this is how we set up our circuit, and this is our bulb we are going to be controlling with the clap switch. And this bulb is going to be connected to the Arduino board via a single channel relay, and then the relay is going to go to the power supply. In this case, I'm using my AC supply or the mains power supply. In that case, I have to emphasize that you should be very careful when you're using high voltage power sources. Otherwise, if you're not very well conversant with how to use the relays, I would encourage you to first go and check through my other tutorial for how the relay works. Because if you're using these high power voltages and you mess up any of this work, you end up with disaster here. So you should be very careful. Then we are going to wire the sound sensor to the Arduino, and also here we should have another power source for the Arduino board. And also have to emphasize that make sure the power source you're using for the Arduino is stable. If the power source for Arduino is not stable, you're going to have some problems with the sensor, because I discovered that if the power source is not stable, the sensor will not work properly. It keep on going on and off, on and off. So make sure you have a stable power supply. So I'll put the schematic and the link to the code in the description below. You can check it out if you want to see how the wiring is really done. So from here, we can simply upload the code and test out our clap switch. So you can adjust the sensitivity of the clap switch using this potentiometer. So in some cases, you find that if you talk, for example, if the sensitivity is not very well adjusted, even if you just talk, you will find the light going on. For example, there, I've just knocked something around and the light has gone on. Even if I just knock something small, it goes off because the sensitivity, I've not adjusted it very well. So make sure you check out the sensitivity before you test it out. It's one of the common problems that you are going to find. That was it for today. Hope you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching.